Okay, the new morning ritual should be go in here and have a quick look around. Well, there's the hole we started last night. Not quite done here. We're not even near done here. You look okay. Everybody's looking pretty good. Adjusting. You're not looking so good. You're going to have to do better than that to survive. But you are there with your flower open. Amazing. Just amazing. Yeah, I need to put more dirt in there. There's another project to do today. I got to get more dirt put in here. And several of these. But, as you can see, looking good. The sun, she's up there. She's not hurting nobody so far. Here's the other thing I got to do is finish cleaning that trough out. And I need to get a fitting for it because we've had to make a change from last year. Very good. So, this is what the normal morning here looks like. Nice and sunny. Dogs are happy, more or less. Greenhouse is working its way to finished. That mess over there, which you can't really see, is no. Get out of here, Mr. B. Nothing to pollinate here, partner. Go in there with the flowers. Little bee down there trying to pollinate my leg. Hopefully nothing more than that, because I don't like to be stung. But he's hopefully going to go in there and pollinate my garden, my vegetables. At least I hope he does. Didn't happen last year. We didn't have any bees hardly. I don't know why, but probably election year they were all hiding out for fear of being eaten by an idiot. Anyway, don't do politics. Regardless of all that, hummingbirds are humming around. We've got 7 or 8 maybe. They're usually about 15 by the end of the year. That hole in the ground I started talking about is going to end up being a water line getting moved. And that faucet that's sitting there in the way, which you're going to see in a minute, because I'll get you a close-up view, is going to get put right by the wall there, and then I'll make a manifold inside and provide water for the greenhouse and everything else, and it clears up all that spaghetti you see on the ground over there, I hope. Okay, this is what I was doing, trying to get to that pipe there, and then we're going to run over here and put that manifold up against that wall. And for two reasons. One of them is straightforward. We want to get water inside of the circle to feed the greenhouse. So it's going to come in right there. We killed a huge scorpion last night right there under that pile. Little bugger pulled a knife on me. Or a pointy thing, I don't know what it was. I didn't like it anyway. Anyhow, so once we're done with that, all of these hoses that are in the way are going to be underground. We're going to run a line to this flower bed and put up a special little sprinkler for it. So everything is going to get water. We've already got one water line inside the greenhouse, and then we'll add about 3 more because we have to have water feed for the misting system and a few other things. In the end, there will be a manifold similar. Yeah, you'll have to pardon this. I only just finally found a place to get decent soil. Anyway, that manifold there that feeds everything in the yard right now, out in this yard. Oh, my wife's roses is looking good. Anyway, we're going to build something similar to that in the circle. And this is... Ooh, easy there, big guy. This is part of the misting system. You can see the little misters tied in there. Shouldn't have done that probably. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, among other things, that has to be taken inside and hooked up. And that's one of the reasons that I put that crossbar right there in. I wanted to have some place to not only string my plants. We're going to put tomatoes down the middle here, and then everything else is going to go around the edges, and then the whole water trough, rain gutter system, that will go back into production with cucumbers and squash and several other things. The rain gutter thing works really pretty good. It really does. Had pretty decent success with it last year. I'm considering it's the first time I tried it. And where we are is, it's the middle of the high desert. It gets 120 degrees here, and it stays that way for a couple of months sometimes. But this little makeshift screen job here will probably end up on that wall in a little while, as soon as I figure out how I'm going to do a few things. And then all of these vine plants, like these peas and things, will end up in front of there. I think I'm going to make a change there, but I'm not sure yet. I might put lattice in here and make it look a little better and work a little stronger. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, that's so much for that. As updates go, that was the only... All right, looky here. I hope that bee shows up here. Look at this. Wide open. Ready for pollination. Come on down. And there's some more. Yeah, bin buggers are all in the mood. Huh? Wonderful.